Tired of not seeing your epics in Jira Backlog? In 30 seconds, I will show you exactly how to enable the epic panel. It is one of those little settings that makes a huge difference once you know where to look. First, open your Jira project and navigate to the epic panel on in Settings. It is really that simple, and I will walk you through every click. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Jira account. Go ahead and log in if you haven't already. I am going to be working within a real project here, so you can see exactly what I am seeing. This is the same environment you will be working in on your end. Now, once you are logged in, look over at the left side panel. You will see a list of all your projects. Find the specific project you want to work with and click on it. For me, it is one of my active software projects. Just click the name of your project and it will take you to the main project view. From here, we need to get to the backlog. Look at the top bar of your screen. You will see a few different tabs like Planning, Active Sprints, and Reports. The one we want is Backlog. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your issues live before they get pulled into a sprint. It is also where the Epic panel hides. All right, so now you are looking at your backlog. All of your stories and tasks are listed there, but you probably do not see the epics on the side yet. That is what we are about to fix. Look up to the top right corner of the backlog view. You will see a small icon that looks like a couple of sliders or toggles. That is the View Settings icon. Click on that. When you click that icon, a menu will slide out from the right side of the screen. This is where you can customize what you see in your backlog. There are a few different options here, but the one we care about is right in the middle of that menu. You will see an option labeled Epic Panel. It might already be there, but it is probably turned off. And here is the really important part. You will see a toggle switch right next to the Epic Panel option. It will likely be grayed out or set to off. Go ahead and click that toggle switch to turn it on. As soon as you do, you will see the Epic panel appear instantly on the left side of your backlog. It is a game changer. Now, you can see all of your epics neatly organized, and you can drag and drop issues right onto them. From here, you can collapse or expand the panel, and you can even create new epics directly from that view. It makes planning your sprints so much smoother when you can see the bigger picture right alongside your individual tasks. So that is it. From struggling to find your epics in the backlog to having them right there at your fingertips in just a few clicks. Go ahead and give it a try in your own project. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.